Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Unfortunately, since my video from yesterday, not too much price action, and again, I can only repeat it. It could really be that we are still in this fourth wave because we haven't really taken off yet, and we also haven't broken down. So you see corrective price action to the upside, we see corrective price action to the downside. I think this here was probably just a three-wave move up. That's also why I have put on this chart this ending diagonal idea in which every wave or subwave consists of three waves. And then we see here also corrective price action down. So, it's just a sideways range. We haven't really broken out of the range. Could even draw here, if we put this range just on the chart that you can actually see this. I mean, surely you could argue that probably have a bit of a range here, to the top, and then down there, basically a little bit like that. So that's the range in which we operate, and we haven't broken out yet. Despite this push to the upside, I mean, that was a new high, and purely because of this new high, I would be considering that we are already in this fifth wave there. So that this finished off a third wave, this spike on the 21st of January. Then we came down, moved up, down, and so on, correctively in a triangle. This could have finished an Elliott Wave triangle here. And the next step would be basically a diagonal here to the upside. Now, you could say that this spike, which occurred here on Wednesday, was wave one of that diagonal. We might be coming down in a wave 2 now of that that might be finished. And we might now be pushing up in a third wave of that diagonal. A third wave within the diagonal would occur as an ABC structure. So this could very well just have been an A wave. Here we've got the B wave, which could be nearly finished, and then the C wave to the upside. That's of course speculation at this stage. But if we now see the price take off, we could be in an impulsive price move in a C wave. Target wise, roughly, if we take the length of that A wave, go down to the low of the B wave, in a diagonal, you might be looking ideally at the 1.618 extension, but we don't always get there in a diagonal. So that would be 24.5K. Before that, in terms of targets, we've got the 1-to-1 ratio. That's pretty much where the wave 1 high is as well, around 23.9K. I think we'll see some resistance when we approach that 23.8, 23.9K level, then 24.2, 24.3K, and then 24.5. These would be the targets along the way for the C wave. And, at the moment we have pulled back to support, certainly. We have we have touched the support area again, that trend reversal area pivot point. And, we've got support on this trend line, we've got support on this trend line. It will be interesting. From here, it would certainly be a time or an ideal moment to move up if the market wants to do it. But certainly this would be an interesting moment. And other than that, we fall back into the green support area, which is still relevant. So again, the view is this diagonal pattern remains reasonably likely as long as we stay above that green support area here, which worked out already once, and maybe it will work out again if we now push to the upside. If we, however, fall below that 22,550 level, the low from the Friday low, then we have a good chance to drop back into the larger wave 4. That's sort of the other pattern, that we have to say in that case, if we lose this support, while it wouldn't invalidate the diagonal, it would massively increase the probability for this fourth wave, and that the wave 3 finished here. So that's also still a possibility, but would only become more likely in my view if we lose that 25,550 level. And then another possibility would be that all of this is still an Elliott Wave triangle. That's possible as well. The whole thing, that this here might have been an A wave down, here a B wave up, so that this B wave is actually sitting here. This might have been the C wave. We might now be doing the D wave, and the E wave is happening now. Oops, no, didn't want to. Bit like that, But then this would in the short term not look much different to the diagonal pattern I showed you in the beginning. So we can park that for now. It might make a difference later, but not yet. So this support area still remains relevant also for a triangle scenario, a triangle pattern. I mean, you can even try to connect here those highs together. You can try to connect those lows together, and you get a reasonably well-defined symmetrical triangle in which we're operating and could be operating. So that would be interesting if the price adheres to this channel now or more to the triangle. I'm going to observe that for you, keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.